Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Just wanted to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. And we'll have a little shot to, just for you. A little fireball. Oh. So, a heaping shot. Cheers. Whew. It's cinnamon though. And also, don't drink and drive, please. I'm actually going to be home for the rest of the night, so it's going to be all good. And if I am going to go out, it probably won't be till much later, which I highly doubt. I've got plenty of snacks. I got plenty of Monster Energy to drink. We're good to go. So also, Happy New Year. I have plans for videos for the coming year, for 2019. Nowhere near being done. I do have to find a new camera though, which I'm going to talk about in another video because the screen went black again. Thankfully I have this camera I can shoot with, so if it's not raining, which I'm hoping to finish up what I started, but I'll talk about that later. So as always, be safe, have fun, and Merry Christmas. And thanks for watching.